Perform hand hygiene. Cover all surfaces of hands with hand sanitizer. Rub hands together until hands are completely dry. Explain the procedure to the resident. Raise bed height. Provide for residents' privacy. Provide for residents' privacy by only exposing one leg. Roll, gather, or turn stocking down inside out to at least the heel. Place foot of stocking over the resident's toes, foot, and heel. Roll or pull top of stocking over resident's foot, heel, and up the leg. Check toes for possible pressure from stocking. Adjust stocking as needed. Leave resident with stocking that is smooth or wrinkle-free. Lower bed if it was raised. Place call light or signal calling device within easy reach of the resident. Maintain respectful, courteous interpersonal interactions at all times. Perform hand hygiene. Cover all surfaces of hands with hand sanitizer. Rub hands together until hands are completely dry.